Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to turn on or off flash screen on all your iPhone devices and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the accessibility. From here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the audio and visual. From here you have to scroll it down to the bottom and you can see there is an option called flash for alerts. You have to tap on it. And the first and foremost step is all about you have to turn on this. And either you can keep it on LED flash, or if you want it for the screen, you have to keep it over here. Then only the screen will be having this particular option there, so keep it on the screen. But if you need for both LED flash and the screen, then you can keep it on the both. But you can keep it on the screen. And also don't forget to turn on flash with unlock it over here. You have to turn on this. This is very important. And once you've done this, you just need to go back, and right now I'm trying to make a call to this particular number over here. As you can see right now, the screen is brightness over here, as you can see. And also the very most important thing, the screen is brightened. And also, as you can see, it will be for a particular duration of time, not for entire time till the phone gets either picked up or hung up. It's all about just over here. I'll show you once again. You just need to go back over here. And right now the screen is brightness over here like this. So it is for a particular duration of time, and just you need to enter the phone or whatever it is. So this is how we can do it. And I hope this cake video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.